Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy referral link on Bybit. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Bybit app on your phone, then you tap on this icon, which is the more button. Once you do that, then you tap on invite friends. You tap on it. Then from here you're going to tap on invite friends. So right here you can easily save this banner up here together with your QR code for people to join you on Bybit up. You can easily copy this link right here. Just tap on, you can see link successfully copied. I can primarily share your Telegram or your X or your WhatsApp through. You can share your links through these three platforms, and if you don't want that, you can easily copy it, or you save this poster or this banner up here, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.